Hi, my name's Lloyd. I'm back again. We're running through a series of 7 common mistakes we see in the solar sector. We're on top of the Magnet head office, and thanks for joining us. If you're just starting out with your research, you might think it's just a case of looking at your latest electricity bill, buying a couple solar panels and putting them on your roof. Well, it's definitely not the case. What you wouldn't have considered there is your geographical location, your load profile, shading, product degradation over time. These are all factors that should be considered when you're designing a solar system. All these factors are taken into consideration when designing your system on PVSys or Helioscope. You should never consider a proposal from a potential supplier if it hasn't been simulated. That's why we strongly recommend approaching reputable solar providers. Now, this pretty much directly relates back to mistake number 2 on different types of solar solutions. But if your expectations are to run through load shedding, then you need to consider what system you're going to go for. In the back here, this is a grid-tied solution. If the power goes out, there's no power at the site. So if you're wanting to run through load sheds, we all know South Africa, we've got the ever-present threat of load shedding. Then you need to look at a hybrid solution. And then on top of that, you need to consider what do you actually want to run through those load shed periods. So if you want to run the whole site, well then you need to obviously go through load profile and size the system accordingly. You're going to require far larger battery backup solution than if you just want to run your bare essentials. So if you want to run PCs and a couple lights, then now your battery storage is going to be far smaller, far cheaper, far more affordable, and you'll have an Essentials DB which will click over when the power goes out. It'll just run the bare minimum, which would be a cheaper solution. But it goes back to what are you looking for. So just bear in mind, load shedding, grid tied, does not carry on running. At Magnet, we specialize in solar and backup power. So give us a call and let us know how we can help you.